Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Am Ryker. Here's the motorcycle. Bunch of parts came in, and I'm going to be installing all of these. So the first thing I wanted to do was start off with the panels because I ordered the exclusive panels. I think they look pretty good. So I already actually returned the other panels, the white ones that I had on, so that went back to the dealership. So now I'm gonna put these red ones on. I just want to show them to you real quick. So I think this will look pretty awesome. Kind of look like that right there. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these on and show you how to put these on. They're super easy. And before I do that, I'm gonna put down a video on how to take the old ones off. I kind of did that before I took the panels to the dealership. And this piece right here will be changed as well. So this silver will also be something similar like that. It's just back there, and I'll show it to you real quick. And I think everything else I mentioned in the other video are push pins that go in, and except this panel right here, you have 4 T25 torque screws that you'll need the bit and the screwdriver to get that done. So let me go ahead and set this up on the tripod, and let's go ahead and install these. But right before, I'm gonna just put a quick video right after this on how to take those panels off and the old ones, and then I'm gonna just quickly move over to how to put these panels on.
Alright guys, so to remove this panel, it's super simple. So first thing you do is just open up your frunk and pull out your gas trap door, and you'll see 4 push pins, 2 here and then you have 2 here. Sorry for the lighting, I'm in my garage and it's really windy outside, so I can't open the garage up to get more light in, but hopefully you can see a little bit. And you just need a tool like this, like a trim tool. You can use a butter knife or anything of that in that matter, just to go ahead and pull these trim pieces out, these push pins out rather, excuse me. So go ahead. Oh, the whole piece just came out. Alright, so just need to take this piece out right here, and this piece is supposed to stay in there, but I'm not sure why it just came out, but it's alright. There it goes. It's on it was not on right, so go ahead and lift the piece. If the little piece comes out in your hand, it's okay. You can just pry out the pin, the whole pin assembly, and then just put that back in. It's good. It'll stay. Same goes here. You have one here. See, that came out just fine. And then you have one right up here. And man, these suckers are, maybe because it's brand new, these things are pretty solid in there, which is good. Anyway, so I got that, and let's see if I can pull the whole thing out. There we go. So I've got all 4 here. Just gonna put that here, set that down here. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, you pretty much just pull out. All you have to do is just pull this out, and that should be it. Let me see if there's a clip. Oh, there was a clip down here. So down here by the light, there's a clip, and it should slide right out. There it goes. There was no clip, it was just stuck in this groove. I don't know if you can see this line right here. That's what it was holding back. So it's this easy to take it off. I know I'm probably made it look difficult, but I did mention in my first video that I am not a handyman at all. So this is the first time I'm doing this. So you can do the same thing on the other side, and when I come back, I will go ahead and put the new panels back on. Alright guys, so what we're going to do is take this piece right here. The installation is very easy. This is probably the easiest thing. All you have to do is just line up the holes right here, the push pin holes. Same thing over here. You'll see the push pin holes. This part, the groove, you just need to lift this up. It'll go underneath that, underneath this piece. And that's pretty much it. So down here you have a pin that sticks out, and there's a female end on the panel itself. So all you have to do is just push it in. You see that clicks into place. And sorry, you have to have this open. I forgot to mention that. So what else? So there we go. The groove has to go in. Then you get your push pins. You got 4 on each side. Go ahead, stick those in. Fairly easy, but I'm making it seem quite hard. Alright, got number 2 down here. Just push it in. That's all you need. Get 2 more. See, put one down here, one down there. And this side is done. And then grab the other part. Let's see. There goes 1. 2. 3. And 4. So that side's done. Alright guys, so I had to wait a day because the washer and the screws were not in the package. Apparently when I was being handed the package, they forgot to give this to me. So, you know, pretty much everything has been going wrong at the dealership. But anyway, I'm past that, but let's get on with this. So what we have to do is take off the hood. There's a couple of clips right down there, right here. You can feel that. You can go ahead and you don't have to lift up, you just kind of slide it down and then lift up. And we have to take this piece off right here. Now this piece has 4 screws and it's got these bolts in the back, so you'll need like a needle nose plier or a small wrench and to hold that in place while you take out the these screws. So let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, so uses a T25 torque bit, and then I'm gonna hold the back like that, and without scratching I'll go ahead and get these old screws out. Alright, so here's that piece that we have to take out, and what the hood looks like here. So let me put this to the side. Let me grab my hood accent here, and you'll notice that the holes are different on the accent than they are on the hood when it comes from the factory for the Ryker. So even though you've got 4 points hanging out from here, they're at different positions. I don't know why they did that. No idea. I mean, had they left it the same, it would have covered it the same. I'm sure there's a reason, but if you pull this the other way around, you'll see they have marked where we need to drill holes with a 3/8 bit or 10mm bit. So let me go ahead and grab that. Okay, so I have my drill right here. Let me see if I can hold it steady between these two boxes and drill a hole. Oh, that was actually easier than I thought it would be. This thing is really soft. Let's hope that everything falls into place here. So I'm just gonna align these up. All right, so they all went in. No issues. Cool. This one is a little bit, seems like the one on this side is a little bit off, but I think they're all lined up nicely though. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna grab our kit that came with it, 4 washers and 4 screws. All right, I don't think it's wise to use your drill machine, as you may over tighten it. All right. So that's one. Let's go ahead and get all of them in here. Yeah, it doesn't completely stop, but I think it's on there pretty solid. I do not see any gaps, so it's not moving or anything. So I think it's on pretty tight. Let's go ahead and put it on. I'm kind of excited. The set is together. Ooh, these plastics scratch so easily. So to put this back, I'm just gonna line these in there first. And then, I didn't line it properly. Line these, put these down here, and it should click into place like that. All right. Now that looks nice. I don't know. What do you guys think? I think it looks good. I like it better than the silver showing. I don't mind this little bit of silver showing here, but I do like how this looks. Definitely liking it much better than the white. Now I do like the white as well. They have these exclusive panels for the white. You know, they have the white with the orange and red stripes. I like that too, but I just thought I'd go for this. Maybe a year or two later I'll swap it out. You know, that's the cool thing about this. You can switch them out, or you know, just wrap them. I've even seen some digital camo ones. I think those look pretty darn good. They're like darker gray and lighter gray shades, and I mean, look pretty good. So let me know what you guys think. I do appreciate you joining me. And in case you're wondering what the heck happened, the windshield came back on. Well, just to recap, when I took this piece out to install it, there was no hardware, and I was wondering what's going on. So the dealer installed these for me and took their pieces out and handed me these. Now I didn't know any better, but they forgot to give me the hardware kit to install those, so I had to go back. I mean, they're not moving a muscle, now I'm running after them. But anyways, I don't want to think about that anymore. Job done. I like it. Let me know what you think. Thanks for joining. Please hit the like and subscribe button, and there's more videos to come. Until next time, be safe.